The Case skid steer loader SR130 is renowned for its reliable ISM engine, checkpoints easy to reach, outstanding radial arm, fast attachment changeover, long wheelbase, comfortable operator compartment. It is ideal to work in confined spaces with no compromise on performance. Let's have a look at SR130 prominent features. Fuel-efficient ISM engine. SR130 is powered by an ISM engine developing 49 horsepower at 2,800 RPM. The one-piece chassis structure is appreciated by customers for its reliability and robustness. The cab can be quickly tilted to access to the drivetrain compartment simply by removing two nuts. Checkpoints, filters, battery, radiators, engine fluids, battery switch and oil cooler are easy to reach for performing routine maintenance checks. The large radiators grant the maximum cooling. Bucket and arm. The boom geometry on SR130 is radial, the best configuration in job sites where the main activity of the skid is to dig and push material with a standard bucket or other attachments. The inclined bucket cylinder mounted and the chassis design provide maximum pushing power. The radial arm enables the maximum productivity with a maximum height reach of 1.5 meters. Bucket and arm allow less material spillage due to the great rollback angle, up to 32 degrees. A faster bucket empty with the dump angle up to 40 degrees. Wheelbase. The long wheelbase undercarriage of 94 centimeters grants a better stability of the machine. Operator compartment. Easy access to the seat thanks to the wide cab entrance of 89 centimeters and steps on the bucket and on the loader arm. This roomy ROPS and TOPS cab with large windows has a lowered threshold without front pillars obstructing the view. A single lever controls all loader functions and enhance loader's versatility. All these features make the SR130 the best solution for your compaction needs.